Hello friends, this is Anand here. Welcome to my channel Anybody Can Do. In this video, I am going to discuss a question from GATE CS 2008 for 1 mark. This question is from Digital Logic. Very simple and straightforward question. In this question, they have given F1, F3 and F in canonical sum of products form in decimal for the circuit, and we need to find out the F2. We need to find out the F2. Very nice question. So here we will solve this question. So F1 consists of what? F1 consists of which value? F1 is having 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. F3 is having which value? Which is 1, 6 and 15. So let us write F3. F3 is having 1, 6 and 15, and F is having which value? F consists of 1, 6, 8 and 15. Okay. Very simple and straightforward question. So we know that this is which gate? This is AND gate, this is normal AND gate, and this is which gate? This is OR gate. So we know in the output we want 1, 6, 8 and 15, and this is OR. So from here, from F3 we are getting which value? 1, 6 and 15, which are there in the output, and from F1 we are getting 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So basically, with the help of AND gate, which are the two value we are requiring? Which is nothing but 6 and 8. So correct answer for this question is 6 and 8. So let me take the value F2, which is nothing but 6 and 8. So we know that AND gate. So let me write a normal AND gate table. So X into Y, okay, or X and Y. So we will take two input 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. In AND, what happen? When both the inputs are 1, then only we are getting output as 1. So because this is AND gate, so 4 5 6 7 8, F1 is having these sum of products which is nothing but 4 5 6 7 8, and F2 is we are taking from the option which is 6 and 8. And because this is AND gate, so here my output will be let me write 6 comma 8. Okay, and this is normal OR gate. So in OR gate, what happens? So let me write simple OR gate table. So X plus Y, or X or Y. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. In OR gate, what happen? If any of the input is 1, so we are getting output as 1. So in the OR gate, that one input is 1 6 and 15, and another input is 6 and 8. So in the output we will get 1 comma 6 comma 8 comma 15. So that's why the correct answer for this question is 6 comma 8. Very simple and straightforward question. See you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care. Thank you.